Welcome back to Kids Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious milkshakes. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need chocolate, strawberry or vanilla ice cream depending on what flavour milkshake you want, 500 millilitres of whole milk, some squirty cream and sprinkles and other decorative sweets. Let's get started. This part you will need a blender, so put your ice cream in the blender and the milk. And now blend it until it's smooth. So now it's all blended into one mixture. You need to pour it into a big jug. Now we need 4 glasses and pour it milkshake into the glasses. So there wasn't enough for 4, probably because our glasses are a bit too big. But anyway, so get your squirty cream, shake it, open it up, and now we need to sprinkle the sprinkles on. Now we put the straws in. And there you have your chocolate milkshakes. Now let's try one. That is delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye.